This book just ate my dog by Richard Bryan, retold by Madison. Bella was taking her dog on a walk when something happened. All of a sudden, the leash felt lighter. Bella lost her dog. Ben came along and asked what was wrong. Bella said, "I lost my dog." He went to go investigate. All of a sudden, Ben disappeared too. Finally, help was here at last to help Bella. But then, the help disappeared. More and more help came, but then disappeared. Things were getting ridiculous, thought Bella. Suddenly, a note fell out of the sky. Hopefully, it helped get all of the things back. Read the book. This book just ate my dog to see if the cars and people and pets all came back.